And now, Splunk's Cybersecurity 60-Second Charity Challenge. Remember the rules. You've got to get through an entire subject in 60 seconds, or you donate to today's charity of choice. Good luck!
All right, so today's 60-second charity challenge is about domain shadowing. So I saw an article in Bleeping Computer about this, basically saying that this phenomenon is more prevalent than previously thought. And this is according to research from Palo Alto's Unit 42. And so I have to admit, when I saw this article, I was not familiar with the concept of domain shadowing at all. So I thought it would be fitting for this challenge to have both of you guys explain to me what it is and why it's hard to detect. So who wants to go first?
Haley, you choose.
All right, I'll go first.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so domain shadowing is the fun technique of hijacking some DNS, either through like taking a username and password from someone you're able to crack, get into their DNS settings, and insert subdomains that either host malicious content or just link to malicious content. The idea being that you get past a lot of the sort of like reputation filters and VirusTotal and so on. So the team from this article did a bunch of research about how prevalent this is, and of the definitely malicious subdomains they found, very few were marked malicious on VirusTotal. But it may be hard to detect, but my engineer brain thought of a few things you could do, like potentially just run a script that just gets your DNS from a website and then make an alert for when you see that changes. There's all sorts of things you could do, but that's the gist of domain shadowing, but we clearly have to keep an eye out for it.
In a domain shadowing attack, the threat actor first gains access to a legitimate domain's DNS server through compromised credentials, some sort of exploit or whatever means. Once in, they don't change any of the existing records because they're trying to be stealthy. They just add new ones. So for example, if the legit domain is good.com, they might add just a single new entry, say like evil.good.com, that points to the IP address of a host that they control somewhere else on the internet. They could then send those evil URLs and phishing emails all over the world. Web proxies or any other controls based on domain reputation won't alert, since good.com is a sterling citizen. This is all just a way to leech off an existing domain's good reputation. So secure your DNS servers, folks. Monitor for changes to your records, and don't let the bad guys profit from your good reputation.
Wow. Bravo.
Okay, I concede this one because David's was very well articulated and potentially written down. I thought we were freestyling this.
There are no rules with
down.
60 seconds.
What are you talking about?
As long as you're within time. But yeah, I think David's some of your SANS training definitely came into play there with your teaching skills. So congratulations.
Right. Certified SANS instructor.
Yes. And Haley, you did great as well. And yeah, I think it's an interesting, type of DNS hijacking. So awesome work. And today's charity that we've chosen is Girls Who Code. And so this is a program that works to educate and equip girls with the computing skills to pursue opportunities that involve coding.